Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Johnny in West Virginia on this new RCI-2995DX. Well, Johnny, we got you ready to go. Per your request, we did the voltage regulator upgrade. Notice over here your phone jack's gone. There is now a echo board installed here with the matching knobs, as well as we put the Vishay IF520 finals in the amp section. The last batch of these, they did all come with 520s. Played around with a few different ones, and the Vishay brand 520s yielded the best gains. Also did some upgrades to the power supply. So let's just get right to it and see what we got. Oh, one more thing. Your amp on off switch right back here. Wire power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Per your request, 2 watts all the way down, okay? RF power all the way up, 40 watts. Average power swing, hello, about 75, 76. 500 watt slug and peak, hello, 200 watts. So them little upgrades did add up and did turn out rather nice. Alright, Johnny, it's ready to come to you. I appreciate you, man, and appreciate you hopping on my website. If you haven't checked it out yet, check it out. It's www.truckscbsales.com. Oh yeah, bump bump.